So guys, I have prepared a small node for the deployment. So we'll follow the steps and we'll execute. Okay, so before going with the deployment, so just I want to give some overview. So what is Kubernetes dashboard? Okay, so Kubernetes dashboard is nothing but it is a GUI console of the Kubernetes, through which you can manage the Kubernetes cluster. Okay, you can create a deployment, you can create a job. No, through GUI interface you can manage the whole Kubernetes cluster. Okay, so we'll follow the step 1 to step 7. Okay, so first step, okay, so log into Kubernetes master node with admin privilege. That means guys, okay, so this is my master node, node 7 and node 8. Okay, so if I'll run one command kubectl get nodes, so it will give the status. Okay, so node 7, so this is the master, node 8 is the slab nodes. Okay, worker node you can say. So okay, so what we will do first, okay, I have already logged into the node 7, the Kubernetes master node. So I will execute run the following YML to deploy the dashboard. Okay, so guys, this is the this is the YML file through which we'll deploy the dashboard. Okay, so I just I follow the node from the Kubernetes websites, so I can show you. This is the this is the I refer this site, okay, to how to deploy a dashboard. Okay, so same same YML code I have used only. So simply we need to run that. Okay, so I will copy this thing, I'll copy to some notepad. Okay, copy it. Okay, I will apply. Okay, so this is the YML which will create a dashboard for us. Okay, this is the first step. So this is my master node, so I will run here. Okay, so friends, okay, so it is saying unchanged means, okay, I have already run this this YML, so that's why it is not changing anything. Okay, so you have to run kubectl apply -f, and this is the URL, okay, for the YML file, kubernetes dashboard.yml. Okay, so next step, what we'll do, configuring dashboard. Okay, so by default dashboard will install the minimum user. That means, okay, so to do administrative tasks through the Kubernetes GUI, so we need to create a service account. Okay, and we'll provide a admin privilege. Okay, to that service accounts we'll log in with that account, and we'll able to do do the administrative related task. Okay, so for that we need to create a YML file. Okay, through which we will the YML file will create a service account, then it will provide a admin privilege. Okay, so we will create a called dashboard admin.yml. Simply I will copy it. I'll copy, so vi dashboard admin.yml, insert. Okay, so I will copy the whole things. Okay, this is the YML code. Okay, same code can be, you can get from the Kubernetes website also. I will show you. Okay, so guys, you can, so this is the same thing. Okay, so this is the same thing, you can copy from here also. Okay, so from the if you will create a sample user, if you click here, so it will redirect to this page, then you can create a YML code. Okay, so just copy it, everything looks fine. Name, to modify everything. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so save. Okay, saved. Now we'll apply that. Okay, so simply we need to run this command. Okay, kubectl create -f dashboard admin.yml. Okay, so So it will create a service account, then it will provide the administrative privilege. So it is saying it is created. Okay, so then fifth, okay, so we need to enable the proxy. Okay, for that, so we need to run this command. Okay, so here no of kubectl proxy hyphen address. So instead of here we need to provide the IP address of master node. Okay, so in this case, what is the IP address? 168.11.9. okay, so this is my IP address of master node. So it will run on 443, then accept host. Okay, so this is the command we need to run in the background. Okay, no hop kubectl proxy. So enter. Sorry, might be something mistake. Okay, no hop. Okay, so here I need to, I forgot. Okay, if enter. Okay, it started. Okay, proxy started. So I have to take a so now I will try to access the website. Okay, so copy the hyperlink, I'll paste here. Okay, so friends, we need to copy and paste it. So we need to modify the IP address. We need to provide the IP address of our master node, 192.168.11.9. okay, so it will listen on port node 443. So I'll copy that. Okay, I'll paste in the URL. Okay, enter. Okay, so now guys, you can see this is the dashboard. Okay, so in this case we need to generate a token. Okay, enter token. So how to generate token? So simply we need to uh, take a duplicate session, because in the first session it is proxy is running. So root, I'll provide the password. So to get the token, so I have to run one command here. Sorry, it is not copied. Okay, so here, okay, simply I need to run one command here. Okay, so it will it will provide me the token. So we need to copy the token, we need to paste, then we'll able to log in. So friends, we need to run this command to get the so kubectl-f cube system describe secret, kubectl-cube system get secret, grep Kubernetes dashboard. Okay, so this is our service account name. Okay, we need to, because there will be so many tokens is available for each controller, so for each service account. So in our case we have given privilege to Kubernetes dashboard. So this is our, because in the, if you'll see the this is the service account we created, Kubernetes dashboard. So we need to fetch only the token for the Kubernetes dashboard only. So we'll run this command. Okay, so this is the name Kubernetes Kubernetes dashboard. Okay, so just we'll copy the token. If you can see the token, right? So we need to copy the token. Just copy. Okay, so we'll paste here. Okay, enter token. Okay, I paste it, then I will try to click on sign in. So friends, now we can we will select token. Okay, there is two options. Okay, so you can give the token. Okay, by retrieving this command. Okay, so this is the command. Okay, this is the command, because Kubernetes hyphen dashboard is the our service account. Okay, so you can get the token. Okay, you have to paste. Okay, you have to paste here, or else you can skip also. Okay, but for the skipping for production environment, it is not recommended. For the testing you can go for the skip. Okay, I'll just click on skip. Okay, now we can see, guys. So guys, you can see this is the Kubernetes dashboard. Okay, where you can cluster section is there, workload section is there, discovery, load balancing, config and storage. So these are the left side, left side, what are the option available, nodes, how many nodes available. So there is two nodes, so node 7 and node 8. Okay, then rules, what are the rules has been created, persistent volume, is there any persistent available, then cron job, is there any cron job has been scheduled, daemon set, deployment, jobs, pods. So everything you can see from here. Also you can create from here also. Okay, so this is the Kubernetes dashboard. Okay, so guys, hope you enjoy the session. So stay tuned for next videos. Thank you, guys.